Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Dadspeed. Tonight we'll be enjoying ham and cheddar on white with a macaroni salad and a side of horse pie! New stuff in the Dadspeed spread shop, plus the old stuff that we already had. You can buy that too. Dadspeed shirts!
All right, today we got Lulu's 400 out. As you can see, it's completely stock. It's got stock everything except for the rear tires and a LS4 skid plate that I put on. Most importantly, it's got the stock exhaust, and as any good quad guy knows, the Geneva Convention of 1949 prohibits 400EXs remaining stock under any circumstances, especially when it comes to the exhaust. So I don't want to violate international law. My wife wants more power. We've got a spicy slip-on from HMF that we're going to put on this thing, and some Nerf bars for a little more protection. Let's get after it.
First things first, that stock muffler has got to go. The new silencer from HMF bolts right up. There's never any issues with fitment or anything with those guys. They make really high quality products. Then I gotta pull some stuff out of the way to get access to the carburetor because it's time to make some jetting changes. After much deliberation with my assistant, he decided that we should just go with the HMF recommended jetting, which was a 42 pilot and a 160 main, since we are keeping the airbox lid.
The FMF is so much quieter. Choke time. Yeah. Whoops. And the fuel's off. That will make it hard to run. Right away, I can tell you that the FMF is quite a bit quieter. Which, like, I don't mind noise. I've got a full Rossi on my 450, and back in the day when I first got it, the silencers were quite a bit shorter, and I think it'd make your ears ring. Eagle-eyed viewers among you, you might notice that I keep shifting without my clutch lever, and that's because I'm a dirtbag. It's pretty similar. I mean, I feel like the I don't know what to think. It doesn't really seem to pull harder on the top end. And by the way, I don't remember what the jetting is for this. What jetting we went with on this one. I don't know what's in it. I don't remember. But it doesn't seem like the bottom end is like, it seems mushier than the HMF. I mean, definitely not like, like, it's still a dramatic improvement over stock, right? But the HMF seems a little bit snappier down low. And by the way, both of these are with the lid on. Airbox lid is on maybe the mid-range on this, I don't know, they're pretty similar, man. So there's not really any bog. Like, this is just idling by itself, I'm not touching it. It's pretty much there. I mean, that's dead idle to wide open, and it doesn't really hesitate. The area, the rev range where she typically lives is really crisp and responsive, and it's a dramatic improvement over stock. Definitely making a compromise somewhere. I mean, it's not spot on. That just feels so much better. I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is.
With the pipe on and feeling pretty happy about the jetting, I decided to move on to the Nerf bars. I actually didn't get the Nerf bars wrapped up that particular day. I forget what happened, but I ran out of time. They mounted up very nice. I know you just want to hear some revving. I've almost caught up editing this backlog of videos that I've had for months. I've got one more thing I want to put together, and then I'll be putting out current stuff. I've got so many big, exciting things I'm going to do this year. A lot of it is going to involve this. Ooh, what is it? So mysterious. I'll show you next time!